Today, we're going to learn about system of equations. So this is an introduction to linear systems. A system of equation is when you have two or more equations using the same variables. The solution to the system is the point that satisfies all of the equations. This point will be an ordered pair. When graphing, you will enter or encounter three different types of solutions. The first solution that you will encounter when you are graphing is when two lines intersect. The point where the lines intersect is your solution. So looking at the example that we have here on the page, these two lines intersect at 1, 2. So the solution of the graph is 1, 2. And note that it is an ordered pair. Intersecting lines have a solution that is an ordered pair. The next type of solution is parallel lines. These lines never intersect. Parallel lines never intersect. Since the lines never intersect or cross, there is no solution, meaning the answer for parallel lines is no solution. Parallel lines have the same slope, but with different y-intercepts. Note that these have up 1, 2 over 1, a slope of 2 over 1, but the top line has a y-intercept of 2, and the bottom one has a y-intercept of -1. So parallel lines will have the same slope, but different y-intercepts. So we can look at it kind of like y equals, for this case, 2x plus 2 would have been one of the equations, and then y equals 2x minus 1. This is a system of equations. There's two equations, two variables, a y and an x. Looking at this, if we graphed them, we can tell that the slopes are the same, but they're going to have different y-intercepts. There's a +2 and there's a -1. And when graphed, you will be able to see that they are parallel lines, which will give you a no solution. The last type of solution on system of equations is coinciding lines or the same line. These lines are the same. Since the lines are on top of each other, they are infinite many solutions or infinite solutions. Coinciding lines have the same slope and y-intercepts. For example, let's look at if we were to do this. This has a slope of 2 over 1 was 2 and a y-intercept of 1. Let's show you what this may look like. There's one equation, and let's give you another one over here. Note that initially the slope is 4 over 2, and the slope over here is 6 over 3. They look different or appear differently, but if you were to simplify them, you would find that the slope is 2, and you'll see that the slope here is 2. And when you graph them, you would basically graph the same line twice. If that happens, the answer is infinite many solutions, okay? Because it touches the entire length of the line, which is from -infinity to +infinity. So it will touch everywhere. And where it touches is the solution. So with this one being the same line, it touches the whole entire time. So infinite many solutions is your answer. This concludes the three types of solutions that you can have for system of equations. We're going to look at graphing these. So there'll be another video on graphing with examples for systems of equations, okay?